All right, so this is how the website is going to look like. All right, so we have the name of your website will be here. So let's go to the top. The name of the website will be here. Then you have all the menu and all of that. So if one wants to sign up, clicks on the sign up. If anyone wants to log in, click on the login, and and it looks really beautiful, right? So this is the home page of the website, and it has a bit of statistics here. Whatever price you set on your admin panel is what we show here. So here is showing 500 MB at 160 naira. Something just to attract people to want to. So it's really simple. You don't know. It's very simple homepage. Okay, so now let's look at how it looks at on desktop screen. Sorry, on mobile phone. Sorry, so this is mobile phone. How it's going to look. This will be the menu button, right? And right. So it's really mobile friendly, right? And mobile responsive as well. Someone wants to click buy now to take them to the registration page actually, or the login page, right? Okay, so this is the login page. All right, so anyone that wants to make use of a website would simply click on the sign up button. Sorry, let's go back. Let me take this away. Okay, so from the home page, so anyone wants to sign up, clicks on the sign up button and fills in. So let me explain this now. Referral. So if anybody is signing up from the website, so you give someone your website, abc.com.ng, whatever, and the person clicks on sign up. Now it's going to see a referral here, and there will be a default referral ID called admin. Okay, so anyone who visits your website without using a referral link, so if a person uses a referral link, the referral username is what will be here. You understand? Then name, email, username, and all of that. So the person, and here you can see the password you are typing. So if you are making a mistake, you would know. So this is a beautiful feature that we added. In many other websites, I mean, you can't tell what you are typing if it's right or wrong. Okay, so once a person that fill in all the details, click on sign up, and the person will be automatically sign up. So let's go to sign in. All right, so this is the sign in page, and I don't know if I have an account here. Let me log in. I'll put in some details and log in. All right, so I'm logged into the account. Let me go to desktop, mobile phone mode. So this is how it's going to look like mobile phone. So this is the menu button from where the person chooses to do different things. So you have dashboard, phone wallets, and all of this. I don't want to explain this. I don't want this video to be longer than this, but then you see your wallet, the amount you have, the commission you have earned. So for someone that refers, here will be the commission. So you refer anybody and the person upgrades, you earn some money here. Then the number of transactions you have carried out, the number of referrals that you have. So here you can check your transactions, you can check your wallet. Okay, click fund wallet to take you to that page. But then for everybody that signs into your website, they will have an automatic account created for them. So this account number, once I make a transfer to this account number, I will be created automatically. So there will be two account numbers. One will be from Wema. This is Wema. The other one will be most likely from Money Point or from Sterling. Okay, and all of that. So this is just the simple interface of the website to be creating for you. Like you want to purchase data, for example, you have you choose network type. Choose a network type like MTN, choose SME, size, you can choose 500 MB or 1 gig. And here you have the opportunity to type in more than one number. So this is a beautiful feature that comes with your website as well. So you can send data, let's say a particular data size to multiple numbers, and they get created instantly. So this is how the user end actually looks like. I'm going to show you how the admin panel looks like in a bit. So here is how the admin panel looks like. Okay, so you get to see your API balance. I mentioned API balance. Your API balance is the amount that you are funded for your website. Okay, I've mentioned it before. I don't want to go into details again. Net worth here means the total amount of money in all the wallet of your users. So you have 10 users and they have different amounts of money in their wallets all put together would give you what is called net worth. The number of transactions that have taken place in your website, the number of customers or users that are registered on your website. So you have the dashboard, you can see the details of all users. I don't want to go into more details on these things. You can see the transactions that they have carried out. You see notifications. So here you can send notification, what you want them to see on their dashboard. Okay, for example, if I go to the home page here of the dashboard, I'll see a couple of messages. So you can set let's say you want to communicate a special kind of message to your users, you can set it here from the admin panel. There will be a notification here, and you see that same notification is sliding here. Okay, so from this place as well. So this is the okay. Let me not even go back. Let's go back to the admin panel. All right, so dear user, you can start funding your wallet instantly. Then user profile. You want to check what a user profile looks like. The information about the user, this you can see it from here. User migration. Okay, you want to move a particular user to another level. So there are two levels on your website. It's going to be on your website. Two user levels. Number one is free user. You can change the name of the name you want to give to the two levels on your website. So this is level 1 and level 2. You can actually move a particular user, to another level, either migrate them upgrade them or downgrade them. Then we have manual funding. So this is where you can fund your users manually. Just put in the username of the user and the amount and you fund them. You can also do that funding from your dashboard. So there's what's called quick manual fund. Put the username, put the amount you fund. Then here is settings. So this is where you do all the settings of your website. So here you can set the data plans. So here, this particular data plan there's a default data plan configuration that comes to your website, but you can actually make changes. There are videos that cover how to do all of that. So let's go back to settings again. So here you can add data plan. You can turn off. Okay, so for example, if there's a problem with M10 SME, you can turn it off or turn it on. Like M10 Gibson here is turned off. M10 SME is turned off. Other things are turned off, right? So you can control pretty much everything that happens on your website. You can do a lot of things. I don't want to go into details here. Then statistics. So you want to know how much is your profit. So for many other websites, you don't get to know what you are making. But here we have put in a feature, a very powerful feature. So let me check on Monday, the 12th of December. Let's calculate. So we have the statistics. For example, M10 SME 25 orders. M10 SME order was placed. A total of 37 gig. The total amount that was spent from your wallet and the profit you made for this whole transaction. Okay, so this is giving a negative figure, but we're going to correct it. So the profit is not correct because this is giving a negative feature. But if you add this, and this together, it gives you the amount, all right, of profit you have made for that day. All right, so this is really, really beautiful and very inspiring. All right, so this is pretty much what I can show you in this video, because I don't want this video to be longer than it is right now. So this gives an idea of what your website looks like. Let me even show you how this admin panel looks like in mobile view. All right, so this is how it looks like in mobile view. All right, okay, so that's all for now.